sisters in Christ. Yes. So I like the energy, So coming here in Davao is a struggle or a challenge for this YSL in Surigao. It's because majority of us are just started our YSL life or as a servant community, as a servant in our and servants communities last year pa. So, and majority of us is nabasa teens. So, mga bata pa yun. Mga bata pa lahat. And, of course, another challenge of that is financial, diba? So, we did a lot of fundraising activities from Rosary Rally to caroling to Palaspas. Then, we also make some flowers to Valentine's activities yung Valentine's activities namin. And then, and doing this presentation, the presentation night, we also had our struggles. And luckily for us last night, because we have a long period of time, so we take that time as an opportunity to have a forum. We share our experience, and we have a positive and negative experience in coming here. And fortunately, in God's grace, lahat kami, lahat sa amin, we have 11 participants from Surigao City, and all of us this is our first time coming in Davao. This is our first nakasali na YSL National Linkage. And of course, with the help of our elders, we are so grateful for them, for supporting us, for all our activities, for all the fundraising activities that we did. And thank you. Thank you so much for sharing with us the experience, because those experiences, we can never forget all those experiences, all those fun memories that we have. So again, thank you everyone. Thank you.
Nangingal na akong malapit to, parang okay, ito na yun, sign. Okay, let's now